Hello everyone, thanks for coming back. So, as you might already know, Synapse Analytics works on an architecture called massively parallel processing architecture. Let's see what MPP means today. Uh, a massively parallel processing architecture is a paradigm wherein processing paradigm we can call processing paradigm where a single compute task is distributed across multiple nodes. They work together in parallel in such a way that the task is completed by negotiating the resources and the code samples that they actually independently work to uh, come to a proper conclusion when the result is obtained from all the nodes. So here is the basic architecture, how it looks. The main components of a massively parallel processing architecture are the nodes that participate in the cluster. There can be hundreds or thousands of nodes, and there is a need for high-speed interconnect between the nodes and distributed lock management to orchestrate the resource utilization between the nodes that parallelly process. So, what is the advantage of this? This enables us to run multiple workloads in very huge workloads of petabyte scale in parallel in very less time. So let's say if there is a data set that has 100 millions of records. If at all you have to process with a single system, it might take a long time. Than if you are processing them in parallel, distributing 1 million records for each of the nodes. So you are reducing the time to process in by 1 by 10 times. So there are two types of architectures in massively parallel processing architectures. They are called shared and shared nothing architectures. The shared architecture follows a method of shared storage. The resources are shared, we can say. However, maybe the CPU and the memory part of each node might run in isolation. However, all the nodes would be accessing the same storage. Um, However, in the shared nothing architecture, individual nodes will have their own isolated storage spaces. So the storage space that are used in shared nothing architecture are duplicated across different nodes, um, which is quite a utilization of resources and not a good design, and there might be latencies, etc., many challenges with shared nothing architecture. However, it might be considered as most secure method. uh, Shared disk can be accessed by all the nodes in the shared disk architecture. So this is about shared and shared nothing architectures in brief. So, what are multiprocessing and what is a single node processing system called? It is called symmetric multiprocessing system. So, if, for example, if we consider a traditional RDBMS, they are mostly run like an SMP, symmetric multiprocessor, wherein multiple processors are isolated into a single system that actually runs a service. Their data load or workload is not distributed across different servers or different nodes. Um, you can consider that as an SMP, which is symmetric multiprocessing system. We'll not be covering the asymmetric multiprocessing in this video, but we can discuss that later. This is just to highlight what are the different methods that are available against to the massively parallel processing systems. So that's all for this massively parallel processing background. This is a quick brief before you step into Synapse Analytics architecture, because Synapse Analytics architecture follows MPP mostly, which lets it to be more faster solution for data warehousing solutions, and the scale at which they run enables it to be enterprise level used data warehouse solution from Azure. That's all for this video. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.